So we're doing some exploring this morning. Heard about some more waterfalls, and looks like we might have found them here. This whole area is just beautiful. Bays and rock outcroppings. Water's not deep enough to do any waterfall jumping, looks like. Tennessee River, Pickwick Lake. Alright, so we're taking a walk on Goat Island, trying to find some goats. So far, looks like about maybe 100-acre island. I definitely see goat food. Looks like somebody. Oh, there's a goat.
Where?
There. Two of them. Oh. I think I see three. There's one laying down. Want to walk up to him?
I know.
Yeah, he's scared. Oh, here they come. Here comes the third one. Holy cow.
Oh, they're coming, Brendan. I'm nervous.
You're fine. Chill out. Oh, even squirrels are coming.
Jeez.
Goats and squirrels, oh my. So I guess.
Put the camera on. You feed him.
I guess they call it Goat Island for a reason. You're so silly. You're so goofy.
I don't want to feed him by my hand. Yeah, he's aggressive.
I got nothing, dude.
He's gonna kick me or something. He's gonna take my bag.
He's not gonna hurt you.
Look at Jude.
He's not gonna hurt you. Here, give it to me. Relax.
I don't have anything.
It's over there.
Probably a herd. There's your friends, kids.
Just throw it far away from you.
Okay, I'm
This
trying.
one's nice.
Oh. Are you sure? Okay. Is this one nice too?
Yeah, sure.
Oh my God, they're gonna don't. They're behind you guys.
You want to be on camera? Hey, guy.
I'm gonna be out of food soon.
You want to be on camera?
When that happens, honey,
What? You're so psycho.
I'm gonna be out of food.
You're okay.
Hold on,
Hey, don't be eating my camera, dude.
I don't have anything, guys.
Don't.
I don't have anything.
What's the clapping about?
You're trying to choke my nothing.
I don't think they've been to kindergarten yet. Hey. Hey. Come on now, friend. Alright, guys. We're going to go for a hike. You guys go away.
Let's find something to do.
Look, and they run away.
I don't have anything. No, I don't have anything. I got nothing, girl. Nothing. No. No.
All done, friends.
Okay.
Alright, we can go for a walk.
Okay, can we?
Let's go for a walk on Goat Island. Let's see if we can find some more friends.
Okay, hopefully they're not.
Which way you want to go?
I don't have anything.
Want to go up the hill? Or?
Kinda.
Alright, well that was fun.
Not moving over too much.
Ready?
Yep.
Actually pretty good.
I don't know what I caught though. That was a good one.
So that concludes our tour of Goat Island. Pretty neat. Mom just about got attacked by the goats. Now we're walking back to the dinghy. Gonna go explore some more islands and find some more waterfalls. Now we found the waterfall.